So in this video, you'll learn how to show or hide the battery percentage on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to be able to show or hide the battery percentage, then the first step is to just navigate to the Settings app. So go ahead and launch Settings, and then you're going to scroll until you find Battery. Select it. Under battery, scroll down until you find show battery percentage. So currently it's enabled, which is why there's a figure on top of my battery icon telling me how much charge it currently has. If you want to hide that figure, so hide the battery percentage, you're just going to tap on the toggle like that to disable it. Once it's been disabled, now whenever you glance at the battery icon, you can see the number has successfully disappeared. So now if you ever want to keep track, you'll just have to use this bar to tell how far the battery percentage has gone. If you want to show the battery percentage again, just tap on the toggle and it will be restored. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.